All right, y'all. It's 2:19 in the morning. Y'all already know what time it is. Best time to hit the gym. Ain't nobody in there. Pro tip, real quick. Hit your climate. Whenever you about to hit the gym and it's early in the morning, it's kind of cold. It's not really cold where I'm at, cause it's I'm in South Carolina. But yeah, hit your climate and turn your heat on. That's part of your warm up. It's literally warming up. You don't want to work out cold, all right? And I got on shorts, so I got it on feet and legs. I mean, body, whatever. But I'm gonna hit some music and I'm gonna go hit the gym, man. All right, y'all, let's ride out. 2:20 now. So I'm still in the car. I'm about to take my pre-workout. I'm gonna show you what I'm taking. I got different pre-workouts, you know what I'm saying? You know, I always keep a few on deck so I can have options. But I think I'm going to roll with this Mr. High because I'm trying to do deadlift and bench press today. I was supposed to deadlift the other day, but I ended up just squatting because of the packed gym. And watch the other video, you'll see what I'm talking about. Those who've been watching, y'all already know. But those who want to know, this is my Project Kickstart 8-week program. Bench press twice a week. Started with 205. I did that last week. Increasing 10 pounds every session. Literally, you know, you got to say the word literally because people will be like, oh, what do you mean? 10 pounds from 205 is what? 215. So I'm doing 215 today. Next time maybe 225, 35, 45. On up until I get back to the weights that I lift. You know, on a flat barbell. Then I'm going to do incline, dumbbell, and I'm pushing it on those. I'm not going to have a limit. I'm going to lift what I can lift. You know what I'm saying? The deadlift, I was going to deadlift 2 times per week. I was supposed to start with 245. That was the other day, but I ended up not doing it. So I went on and did my squat instead. 185, 5x5, adding 10 pounds per session. Light baby weight to work on form and to focus on my cues. There's a reason to start light. You know what I'm saying? People tell you what to do and they don't even do it. But I'm going with the 245, 5x5 deadlifts. And I'm going to increase 10 pounds per session, which means the next session, not today. I'm going to do 245. The next time I deadlift, it'll be 255, 265, 275, which is all baby weight. So by the time I get back into my 3s, 4s, 500s, and stuff like that, which I have on camera, by the time I get back to there, my form should be good. Because at the end of the day, you lifting that much weight with bad form is terrible. Okay, go ahead and do it if you want to. I know so many people that's messed up. But I'm also do ab work and all kind of other stuff. So man, we rambling enough, man. Let's go hit the gym. Also, I want to just show y'all my belt. Just telling y'all that I'm not lifting with a belt today. I do not lift with a belt with lightweight or moderate weight. I don't lift with a belt until it's heavy. You know what I'm saying? Also, pro tip about a belt. A belt will not save your life. A belt is not an excuse to have any form that you want. You know, I got a belt on, I can't get... Yes, you can get hurt, all right? You will get hurt with that way of thinking. You know what I'm saying? I always tell people, don't start lifting until you can understand that you can get hurt, all right? That's why I'm taking baby steps to get back to where I was at. By the way, I got a baby. I just put her to bed. That's why, hey, man, I was going to hit the gym an hour ago. Hey, but I'm a great father, you know what I'm saying? Let's go hit the gym, man. Alright, y'all, it's I got so much dust in my car. I never noticed how I started filming, but it's 2:32. We just pulled up. This is the beauty. You see, look, it's a car over there. It's 2 cars over there. There's one right there, but it's jacked up. So, like, the tires or something got changed. I don't know. They left it there. So that's probably not even somebody. Like, it's 2 cars, literally. And, yeah, no cars over here. Daytime, every one of these spots will be packed. What's the problem? What's the problem with that? It's somebody, that car always be over there though. But like I say, man, we about to go in. I ain't about to ramble for long, but what I'm saying is, all them cars mean a lot of people in the gym. A lot of people in the gym, they will all get in the way, and they will all talk to you, and they will all stop you from working out. And if you don't really go to the gym to work out, you don't understand what I mean. You don't see a problem in that. But let's go get it. When you go to the gym, get the workout in. That's what you do. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. I didn't film my warm-up because people keep trying to follow me in the gym. It's only 1 or 2 people in here. But here's my working weight. What I say this was, 215? Yeah, 215. That's my tripod for the day. If y'all see my last few videos, I showed y'all I do have a setup now. I have like the whole everything, but I've been so used to using water bottles and stuff and leaning against stuff. But yeah, like I say, there's nobody else in the gym right now besides that one dude. It was another dude. No, I think by the time there, the dude had left. But there's nobody to spot me, so it'd be dumb for me to go maximum reps or maximum weight. But this right here is beautiful. No men, no women, no ladies goals, no GGX, no spinning, nobody in here, no cardio people, nothing. So my goal is to do 5 sets of 5. That's what a 5x5 is. If you ever, didn't get it or whatever, you know what I'm saying? For the newbies or the people that been in the gym but never really did any research or studying or learning, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to teach y'all now, you know what I'm saying? The best time to watch is, in my opinion, is when somebody's trying to make their comeback anyways. So I used to, all these lifts that I'm doing, my deadlift, my bench, my squat, I used to do almost double that. I'm not crying about it. I work my way back to it, you know what I'm saying? I'm actually in a weight loss phase. So, you might see a little gut right there. It's the last part to go at the end of the day. I lost 20 pounds since New Year. So, you know what I'm saying? Congratulations to me. See, 5 reps. I could probably do way more than 5 reps with that weight. That's not a heavy weight, but I want to do more sets. You know what I'm saying? If I'm doing 10, 15 reps, you also got to remember muscle building, strength building. Going all out is not the way. I mean, you don't want to be just, you know what I'm saying, doing the easiest thing you can do. But at the end of the day, there's a time and place for going all out. Recovery. If you push yourself to the limit too far, your body's not going to recover from that. You know what I'm saying? How do I know? Because I've been doing this. I've been around the block. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I got a lot on my plate right now. I got a new baby. I got a 6-year-old. I work 12.5 hours. That's just a few things. You know what I'm saying? But also, another reason why I'm going lightweight is to make sure the reps count all the way up, all the way down. Butt stays on the bench. 4 points of contact, your head, your upper back, your butt, and your feet on the ground. 4 points of contact, no cheat reps. You know what I'm saying? These 5 reps actually are getting harder during each set, of course. I mean, you only got so much energy, especially in the weight loss phase. And especially on a comeback, you know what I'm saying? I always tell people my old videos where you want to see the real crazy weightlifting, you know what I'm saying, with the 315s and the 365, bench press, all that, no spotter, no help, no nothing but on the bench, no cheating, you know what I'm saying, no half reps. I'm showing you from different angles too. I really need to use my tripod camera setup, whatever. It's called Go Viral, whatever. But yeah, man, 2, 3. I think this is the set right here. You see how it's kind of wonky? I'm actually leaning off the bench a little bit to the right. If this was heavier weight, I would have put it down. Like right there. This side of my body is actually a little bit, it's not centered. You want to be centered on the bench. At the end of the day, you could tear your shoulder up by doing that. Now, if I'd have had a lot more weight on there, something that I couldn't really control, I would have put it down, because at the end of the day, if I would have pushed it, it would have hurt me. You know what I'm saying? You get one body. I tell people this all the time. Nobody listens, man. It's a lot of people that I will tell you, too. I'll tell you, I told you so. If I give you some advice and you don't listen and you hurt yourself, I'm going to say, I'm going to rub it in your face. Hopefully you don't hurt yourself too bad. But, yeah, I know a dude, he was benching like 500. He tore a pec. He healed himself back up. Well, he healed up after a while. And he tried to jump right back to where he was at, and he tore his tricep and a rotator cuff. And anybody that knows anything about the anatomy, sometimes them don't heal. I know a dude tore his bicep off the tendon, and it'll never heal the way he tore it. So I eased my way back into things. I know I got one body. There's no reset button. This ain't no PlayStation, no Nintendo game. You live to live another day. And pushing yourself to the limit is not progress. See, my butt stay on the bench, and I don't do like this. Look, a lot of people bench like this, struggling to prove a point. Okay, That's 225. I call this the universal talk to me weight right here. When there's a lot of people in the gym and they see you put 225 on there, everybody comes. I'm gonna do 3 to 5 reps. That's my goal. And after that, I plan on doing some pull-ups, but not right here because look at these grips, man. I don't like that. It's a grip right there. It's all half off. This one don't have a grip. Not that I need the grip. Not that it makes that much of a difference. Now, when I'm in my zone and I've been in the gym for a long time, it don't matter. But at the end of the day, I could do these lat pull downs, but nothing to me, nothing like a pull-up, man. Nothing. You know what I'm saying? The pull-up is the ultimate body weight exercise, in my opinion. You know, I'm in a car right now doing my voiceover. Looking behind me, it's about 4 o'clock in the morning. Yo, but you got to be ready though. But at the end of the day, you looking at the screen and doing your voiceover, they got the drop on you. So you can have anything you want. You can be ready as ready. It looked like I got a really big gut right there, but at the end of the day, that's the last place to go. And plus, I'm arching my back because I got a slight arch in my back. Not because I got scoliosis or nothing, but I'm saying you're supposed to retract your scapula, which is going to give you a slight arch in your back. Now, a lot of power lifters, they just put a big arch in their back, you know. How many reps did I got? I got 4 reps. Then I sit there and I contemplated, thinking about the past. Like, man, 225. I used to do that for like 20 reps. I just sat there and did it for 4 reps. Wow, that's crazy. But I'm like, man, it don't matter, man. It's a work in progress. At the end of the day, hey, get back to the money, man. It's all good. You know what I'm saying? I done been through this. That's how I know how to get through this. A lot of people ain't never been through nothing. They don't know how to get through nothing. A lot of people won't even lift this for 1 rep. And I weigh 185 right now. This is a good amount over my body weight. Okay, so I added 20 more pounds, 10 on each side, and I'm going to get it for a rep just to feel some weight. You know what I'm saying? That's the plan, just to feel some weight. And if it feels good, I might throw a little more on there. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I ain't been consistent for like at least 5 months. You know what I'm saying? First, it was the gym closing with the whole situation the world going in. I ain't gonna even say it on, because at the end of the day, yo. But, yeah, man, the whole situation. Then after that, it was other reasons why I fell off. I decided not to do it. Not because it was heavy. I didn't even try it, so it wasn't a fail. But when your body says don't do it, then don't do it. You know what I'm saying? There's a time and place for everything, man. There's a time and place for pushing it. I got videos of me pushing crazy stuff. I got videos of me doing 275 for 10 reps. Don't believe me? I'll link it below. And I'll link it. I don't be putting it in my link in my description. That right there is 275. That's what I've been, when I was getting kind of consistent, I was working up to that for a heavy single, heavy double, whatever, and then working my way back down. 315, that's my short-term goal to get back to. Not now because I'm in a weight loss phase, but when I get into my weight gain phase again, then 315 is my will be my short-term goal. Hopefully 2 or 3 months within my weight gain phase. Let me show you what my ultimate I'm spinning around to show you there's nobody in here. I am not getting under this weight with no spotter. I used to lift this with no spotter for a couple of reps, but no. If I'm not ready for it, to prove to who? I don't care if this video get 1 million views. That right there, that's 365. Of course, it'll be on both sides. I'm just showing you what it looks like. That's the heaviest I ever done for 1 rep. Clean rep all the way down, all the way up with the butt on the bench. A lot of people are like, what do you mean by that? I mean competition style lifting. A lot of ways people be lifting and they be cheating on their lifting. It will not count in the competition, so it doesn't count. Half squats and half this. Oh, I'm doing a voiceover. That right there is a speaker. 24/7, the gym plays copyrighted music. So I'm kind of hoping that I'm remembering to say what I'm trying to say with these weights as I'm showing y'all. Here's the deadlift area. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I was going to deadlift, but I'm not going to. I'm not feeling it anymore. I'm going to save it for another day. You live to live for another day. I'm taking baby steps right now. This 8-week program that I'm on, putting myself on, is, this right here is these octagon plates. This is the reason I didn't deadlift last time. I just squatted. I need round plates when I deadlift. Teach his own. You know what I'm saying? I explained in the other video, but to each his own. Don't tell me what to do. I won't tell you what to do. You know what I'm saying? Hey, show me what you got. Hey, that's another rule in the gym that nobody follows. Please re-rack your weights. Nobody re-racks their weights. That was just a little place, but still, man. Hey, here's my plates. I'm going to re-rack them. As you can see, only got that much on this side. That's how much I was going to lift, and this was me showing y'all. You do not want your weights to look like this when you're lifting. Make sure both sides match, all right? That's a big difference. But, yeah, man, this is what your bar need to look like after you're done. I call it butt naked. I start with the bar like this. I do warm-up sets with the bar like this. After I do my warm-up, I got videos of my warm-up, and then I end with the bar like that. Also, you have this spray over here. It kills viruses and flu and cold and germs, and it's disinfecting spray. Said and done. Time to run. That was fun. Something. Go pick up my son. No, I was kidding. But yeah, man. This I don't recommend coming to this time at all the time for everybody, because it's not for everybody. What's that car creeping for, man? That's gonna get you messed up. You know what I'm saying? Easy money. Like, dog. Hey, why are you creeping like that? Oh, they getting that spot. Still, man. But yeah, man, other people coming in. But I don't recommend coming at this time for everybody, because at the end of the day, you know, if you ain't prepared, ain't nobody out here to save you if something happens to you. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be ready for any and everything. And bring it how anybody else will bring it. You know what I'm saying? Because they might be ready to bring it more than you. You know what I'm saying? I really wish I had my car mount. I could do my drive away. And that's why a lot of times people are like, why you don't really be showing yourself when you're in the car? Because at the end of the day, I don't have the right setup no more. That thing broke. But comment, like, subscribe, share, holler back at your boy. Peace. Alright, y'all, I'm pulling off. The person that was in that car, this happens a lot too, so you gotta watch yourself coming in the gym after hours and stuff like that. The person that was in that car, they was coming towards my car because they couldn't get in the gym. People would ask you to let them in. That's against the rules. That's actually breaking and entering. You go to jail for that. You can. I ain't gonna say you will, but they also charge extra if you get caught doing that. I'm not getting, no, man. Watch out for people. Also, don't hang out in front of the gym or after hours or in the lobby when you first walk in. Don't hang out right there. People will knock on the window and try to get in. No.